In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cloudflare for your domain. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a DNS record in Cloudflare so your domain points to the correct server. First, open your Cloudflare account. If this is your first time, sign up and then log in. Otherwise, simply head to your dashboard. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right workspace, especially if you manage more than one site. From the dashboard, click on the specific domain you want to work with. This opens the domain overview, where all settings for that domain live. Next, go to the DNS section. You'll find it in the left-hand menu labeled DNS. This is where Cloudflare manages how your domain translates to the servers that host your website or services. Inside DNS, click Records to view the full list of existing entries. You'll likely see several records already there. That's normal. Avoid deleting anything unless you're absolutely sure it's not needed. Now click Add Record. This starts the process of creating a new DNS entry. You'll be asked to select a type. For pointing a domain or subdomain to a server's IPv4 address, choose A. If you were pointing to a host name instead of an IP, you'd choose CNAME. But for today's example, we'll stick with an A record. Enter the name. This is the part of your domain you want to root. Use @ to represent the root domain, like example.com. If you want something like www.example.com, enter www. For a subdomain such as blog.example.com, enter blog. Be precise here. A small typo can send traffic to the wrong place. Next, enter the IP address. This should be the public IPv4 address of the server that will handle the traffic. Double check it with your hosting provider or control panel to make sure it's accurate. Entering the wrong IP will cause downtime or misrouting. If you're migrating providers, confirm you're using the new server's address. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Cloudflare will add the record to your list, and you'll see it appear immediately. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take a short time to update across the internet, though within Cloudflare the change is active right away. You can return to the DNS records page to confirm it's listed exactly as intended and watch for any status messages. If you need to adjust the name or IP later, you can come back, edit the record, and save again. That's it. You opened your Cloudflare account, selected your domain, navigated to DNS, viewed your records, added a new one, chose the correct type, entered the name and IP address, and saved your changes.